The snow is piling up against our door, and we might just be stuck for a week or more now, but that don't bother us none. If anything, it sounds like a barrel of fun. Let's just have our Christmas of our own. A Christmas of our own. Let's forget about the world outside and disconnect our telephone. A Christmas of our own, with no big choir singing, caroling, and church bells ringing. Let's just have our Christmas of our own.
Alrighty, hello. I know, I look a little crazy. Hopefully the camera is focusing on me properly. It is Wednesday night, as you can see by the background. I had to go into the office today and I had a really long commute, and I was just sitting here just scrolling, and we're doing another late intro. So before I continue, hi, my name is Brenda. I am a 30-something that works and lives here in very cold nighttime San Francisco, and usually on my channel I post vlogs about how I'm navigating life in my 30s, and every now and then I might sprinkle in a DIY or a makeup tutorial, or at least I did in the past. So if you like that type of content, I encourage you to check out my other videos. I have playlists linked down below. I did start blogging consistently as of Vlogmas of last year, so that explains both the amount of videos and the quality of them. And of course, I would very much appreciate it if you liked and or comment and or subscribe to my channel. That would be very much appreciated. I love seeing new people subscribing and new people in the comments, and as well as seeing familiar faces in the comments. We went to work and now I'm home, and now I think I have to, even though I'm feeling very lazy, I have to push myself to cook because I don't want to buy food like at work tomorrow. So I want to cook so I can have leftovers for tomorrow. We might do that if I can get the motivation to get out of my seat, especially because I am running against the clock again. I forget that I need to be on my own back about things because Vlogmas, it's been very hard to keep up with whenever I have to be at work, like actually at work. So
Everybody's waiting for what
It's me again. I know it hasn't been that long since the last clip, but especially because my last clip was me introducing. As I was saying before, I was so rudely interrupted by my own dog, is that I know I had just done an intro and now I'm doing an outro. Unfortunately, days like today when I have to go into the office and I have to do a really long commute for this particular office, all my other commutes are pretty nice, pretty perfect, but this particular office, the commutes are always horrible. You can find me in almost every blog complaining about this commute. I wanted to try a new recipe, but I was like, you know, I just don't feel like it. It would be too much work for me to try and do this recipe, so I'm just gonna wait for another day when I have more time. But the good news is I made spaghetti using some of the ingredients. I usually don't put sausage in my spaghetti, but I decided to do that this time because I'm gonna have a lot of ingredients left over from the other recipe that I'm gonna try to make. I thought, why not use them to make spaghetti? It's a quicker meal and I will be able to make use of it for lunch because tomorrow I do have to go in the office and I just don't want to spend any more money because obviously I spend so much money on presents. I wanted to get onto editing because I have to go in the office tomorrow and I still haven't even started editing. I think it is about to be 9:30. I've also spent so much time trying to do this intro, like outro, but there's been a lot of chaotic things that have been happening. With all of that being said, we're gonna conclude Vlogmas Day 18 here. I thank you if you made it this far in the video. I also thank you if you are already subscribed or about to hit the subscribe button. I really am appreciative of you and I'm glad that you're here, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 19. Bye.
Christmas of our own. We just want